Here we go. Julian picked out our big tree. Oh my God, I almost fell over. This is the Rhodes family cutting down a Christmas tree party.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh Lord, this thing is huge.
Daddy's gonna be sawing for a while.
I know, but this thing is so thing's so thick.
We could take turns.
Yeah.
A pocket full of posies, ashes, all fall down.
Woo!
I hear a guy with a chainsaw, Dad. Where's that guy at?
He's over behind us.
It's the guy with the antlers over there. Came with a chainsaw.
Yeah, we need to talk to him. What's going on?
I hit Hey, it's over there.
Keep sawing, babe.
The guy with the chainsaw's leaving.
We need him.
No, didn't.
Do we need to buy Daddy a chainsaw for Christmas for next year?
Mama, look at me.
My way.
Yeah, you know you do.
Mommy, look at you. You look so cute.
I look so cute.
It's almost done.
Oh Lord.